Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we interact with dbt to surface really awesome metadata alongside other little pieces of metadata. So in this case, I've got this data pipeline called end-to-end lineage. What it's doing is ingesting some data to Snowflake using fivetran, to then triggering a job in dbt cloud. We're then doing a bit of other data quality testing and running some other queries in Snowflake. That's because they're kind of like random, like slightly idiosyncratic tests. Perhaps they're being run by a marketer who knows a bit of SQL but doesn't want to do a PR in a SQL repo. And then, we're pushing the data from Snowflake into a Google Sheet. So this is only 4 boxes, just 4 tasks. So, in many lineage tools like Airflow, you'd have 4 boxes in your lineage. That is not so here because we have the metadata from dbt. So every box corresponds to a materialization, as you can see from the tag. But what's quite nice is we also have the test metadata. So this is actually one of our metadata tables, task runs clean. Go ahead and look at the metadata. We can see that this corresponds to bronze transformations task run. This when it started, this when it completed, this how long it took to run. These are rows affected, so it's actually pretty quick. Just doing a select, and we can see the unique test has passed, and so too has my not null, which is great. You also see instantly exactly what's failing. This looks like something which is snuck into my product count because it's got an example on it. And the message is success, I guess, because this has actually succeeded in terms of the materialization. But some test has failed. So apparently some stores don't have the right sales, which is weird because we're a software company, we don't have any stores. But fortunately, because this has failed, everything that's downstream of it has also, not been run. So what I can do is I can go to exit and I can basically go away and fix my dbt error. And now when I hit rerun from failed, we're actually going to rerun this dbt task from this node. And then we'll be able to just run these two. So this will be really powerful in terms of, saving you guys on unnecessary compute, because, if you're doing this in something like Airflow, then you probably have to rerun the entire DAG, which could obviously be very expensive. So yeah, that's a quick overview of our end-to-end lineage of dbt cloud tasks in Orchestra.